Hello everyone, welcome to Innovative Priya. It's all about art. So today we are making floating island painting, and in order to give the background moon a blooming effect, I am starting with sky blue color. Once one circle of sky blue is done, I am adding darker shade of blue. We just need to keep adding blue shade until we get the whole background done, and just remember the stroke should be in a circular motion. I am adding little bit of black at all the four corners of the canvas just in order to add some depth in the sky. So for the moon, I added first white at the base, and then on top of it a little 1 or 2 strokes of brown, and then I'm just merging them. So it's time to add the island. So just use black color and make this triangular shape, and then just fill the black color in. You can use the foam brush to make the clouds, or you can use the regular brush also. After making some stars in the sky, it's time to add some cherry blossom. So I am using only 2 colors, red and white. So first make some petals using red color, and then once it is dry, use white on top of it. Here I'm trying to give some realistic effect on top of the island, floating island. I'm adding some white using the backside of a tube, or you can use any palette knife also, and then just add some white on top of it. And here it's time to add some kitty, or you can add bunny or a girl or whatever you like. I'm adding a quick kitty sitting under the tree, and here we go. Hope you like the painting. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.